and we're in Chef's Kitchen. Today we'll be marinating chicken thighs, and this is part 2 because if you guys didn't see our last video on YouTube, we did part 1 and we were marinating chicken breast, but now we're marinating chicken thighs. Fantastic. So obviously we have chicken thighs. We have 8 pieces in total. The ingredients: olive oil, ground black pepper, salt, never forget salt, mayonnaise, and sweet paprika. Sweet paprika, because there might be a spicy one, I'm not sure, but this is sweet. And a spoon. Yes, please. I'm gonna wash the spoon as well. So, should I wash my hands? Yes, just give us some time to wash it. So now all I'm gonna do is wash my hands in warm water, and I'm gonna change it to cold water, and now I'm just gonna start washing them. So all I'm doing now is washing underneath the skin because you really want to wash everything really good. But if there's any excess to the skin, like, you can rip it off. But after that, just keep on washing. And now all I'm gonna do is pull the camera over so you guys can see it closer how I'm washing the chicken. So let's go. Oh my god, yes, we are finally done with everything. Now all I have to do is put everything back and just rinse it with this hose, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, we're going to rinse it in and then drain all the water out. And I'll see you guys when we're starting to marinate. So let's go. Okay guys, so we brought up the camera a little bit and we forgot to tell you guys this, sorry. But you also need mustard. It can be honey mustard or regular mustard. It really doesn't matter. So, like I was saying, you don't need to take off the skin when you're marinating or at all. You just don't have to take it off. But there's a lot of fat in the skin. No. But, yeah, you have an option to. So we have 2 foils. We're going to use one for now. We're not taking it off right now, but when we cook it, then we take it off. Like when we're eating it. Yeah, when we're eating it, we'll take it off. So, first things first, I'm going to show you guys. You guys can see that, right? We're going to take this one. Okay? I'm going to put this on it. Make sure everything is good. Anything you want to try? So right here. Make sure everything fits. Like the little ones go. No. So we're gonna take this. The mayonnaise, white mayo. Oh. Oh. Sorry guys. We have to marinate this thing. Okay, that's a lot. That's enough. Can you just get the... Guys, you don't need a lot for everyone. So yeah, you don't need a lot for everyone. But you're gonna spread it out. So Nathan, I'm gonna give it to you. Yeah. And no, the paprika I'll do myself because it's very spicy. You know what I mean? I'm salty. I mean, not spicy, but sweet spice. Sweet. Okay, we're gonna like carefully around the mayo so it can stick to the mayo. Not all the way. A little bit, not too much. You don't have to put it on your hands, but like we choose to. We choose to, yeah. It's a lot of paprika. No, it's not a lot. Well, here you go. I'm gonna give you some pepper. We don't need a lot, guys. Not just a little bit pepper because you don't want that extra spice. Okay, carefully. Give it to me. You have half. Yeah. No, let me do this first. You have to be very careful because it's really spicy. Okay, give me the rest. That's over. Okay, I'll do the salt because we just had a big failure. We don't want a lot of salt. That's gonna make it too salty. Yeah, that's enough for the whole thing. So that's it. No, because it's a lot of chicken. It's not gonna have that much salt. gonna spread it out. I didn't. Mama always tells me to put that much.
Can I do the olive oil?
Yeah, we're gonna do it together because
All of it.
that's it. Don't forget that chicken. You don't want it to be too oily.
And yeah.
Do it with you so you don't put. That's it. Okay, ready, Nathaniel?
I'm ready to marinate.
Time for action, guys.
Wait, Alex, wait. So guys, we are done now, and here how it looks. Yeah. That's how it looks. And you have to on the note, and yeah.
Bye, guys! And I really hope you guys liked this video. Smash that like button, subscribe, turn on that bell notification so you guys can see everything that we post. And yeah, bye guys, have a great day. Oh, and our YouTube channel is Sergi Realtor Pro, or you can search up Sergi R. Or you could just search up cooking chicken or whatever.
Chef's Kitchen cooking chicken.
Chef's Kitchen cooking chicken. Bye guys.